Hello everybody, it's the, what is it? It's in fact the 24th of May 2024 today, which is, well, I don't know where this year is going. Having said that, I looked at this tree a little while ago and thought it's extended by a couple of inches. I really ought to think about giving it a bit of a trim. And now I've turned around and I've come back and it's extended by 4 or 5 inches. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaf nodes and the leader. So yeah, time I got back to it. This is my 30+ year old Gingko Biloba, which I am very, very fond of. If anything happened to this tree, I think I would be very, very sad. I've chopped it and I've grown it and I've left it alone and I've chopped it some more over the years. And despite my ignorance in bonsai when I first got it, and yeah, I killed a lot of trees in the initial years, as probably do we all. But this one has survived everything I've thrown at it and then some. So time to give it a bit of a chop back. Let's have a look. We'll start at the top. This isn't a conventional shape for a Gingko. Lots of people tell me it looks very strange for a Gingko. But I've never been one to worry too much about convention. I'm just cutting it back to 1 or 2 leaves to an outward facing bud, and we'll see how the tree responds. A little bit of dead wood just there, so we'll just trim that back. I've never managed to get fine ramification on this tree, no matter what I've tried, but as I say, it hasn't bothered me. I like its shape. Even in the winter when it's bare, it has an interesting shape to it. I have guy wired these couple of branches down on either side because it was just reaching for the sky a little too much for my taste, but trim that back a little shorter. This isn't going to be a long video. Just an overdue haircut for this tree, and then it will go back on the bench and we'll pop back and visit it later in the summer, perhaps, or in the autumn, to see how it responded. I think that is all I'm going to do to this tree today. So yeah, just a very short video, a very short catch up. There is a playlist of me working on this tree over the last 4 or 5 years. So if you want to go back and see some of its development, you can do that. The other thing I want to do is remove a few of these leaves. I'm not going to do a full-on leaf prune, but I just want to remove a few of these leaves that are obscuring my view of the trunk. And I'm going to take out this shoot here, which I can now see, which is growing right in there, which is not a great place. And there's another one just there, which that will never have a place in this design of this tree, so I'll remove that now. And that's better. That just gives me a glorious view of that trunk, which I'm really, really pleased with. quick 360 then, and I'll pop the can in for scale. As you can see, the base of the trunk is nearly as wide as a regular Vince can. I should just say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, comment below, but most of all, please stay safe everybody.